Hello friends, today we will discuss about rose water use. How to use rose water. There are numerous methods available for you to use rose water. In fact, all these methods guarantee to deliver outstanding results to you. In order to make the life easy for you, we thought of letting you know about some of the most prominent methods available on how to use rose water. You can simply go through these methods and learn how to use rose water in different ways and receive benefits in your life. You can use rose water in the kitchen. It is possible for you to use rose water for cooking purposes as well. In fact, people who lived in ancient Middle East have used rose water to enhance the taste and nutritional value of a variety of dishes, including salads, rice pudding, and lamb stew. You can also think about adding rose water to cocktails. You will be surprised to see how it can enhance cocktails for you. You can add rose water to the tub of your bath. You will be able to add rose water into your bath as well. This can provide you with the chance to make your skin feel soft. In addition to that, you will also be able to make the skin smelling great with ease. You can add rose water to your laundry. You will also be able to go ahead and add rose water into your laundry. People have done many different experiments on how rose water could benefit you when added into laundry. You will be able to make your clothes smell like roses by adding rose water to laundry. In addition to that, you will also be able to deliver a smooth texture to your clothes by adding rose water into them. You can also get wholesale rose water at best price from any leading rose water wholesaler. However, it is important to choose natural and organic rose water, Rosa Damascena flower water, for best results. You can use rose water in face marks. While you are making face masks, you will be able to receive an excellent overall assistance with rose water. Due to the same reason, you are encouraged to go forward with it as well. It can soothe your irritated skin. Along with that, you will be able to receive numerous skin health benefits at the end of the day. You can add rose water to your hair. You don't need to think twice before you mix a couple of drops of rose water with your shampoo and add into your hair or conditioner. This is one of the most convenient methods available for you to hydrate your skin in an effective manner. You will also be able to deliver an excellent smell to your hair with this method. Today one can easily get wholesale rose water, but it is advisable to get natural and organic rose water, also known as Rosa Damascena flower water for best results. Rose water is a makeup remover. Last but not least, it is possible for you to use rose water as a makeup remover. If you are struggling hard to get rid of frustrating makeup under your eyes, you just need to get the help of rose water. It can deliver amazing results with removing makeup as well. To know more about rose water use, visit at www.argandalt.com. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.